Our next Voss story comes from Mozilla, who is doing something great with Firefox for once. They are going to protect Firefox users from bounce trackers. So I'm going to quote the article here. Bounce tracking is a technique where a user clicks a link but ends up reaching their intended destination via an intermediary tracking page. This allows trackers to place and read first-party cookies, which are not blocked by browsers, unlike third-party cookies. For instance, imagine a user on flowers.example clicks a link to books.example. At the last moment, the tracker active on the former site reroutes a link through tracker.example. The user first lands on this page, which then redirects them to books.example, enabling tracker.example to identify that the user is interested in both flowers and books. If tracker.example manages to inject itself into the user's browsing pattern frequently enough, it can build a detailed profile of the user. To combat this, Mozilla has announced a feature called Bounce Tracking Protection, which will regularly cleanse Firefox of tracking data every 24 hours. The browser will utilize heuristic detection methods to identify and recognize bounce trackers. Currently, Bounce Tracking Protection is available in an early test version of Firefox, the nightly version, to be specific. Although it is not fully enabled yet, data is being collected to refine the detection. Once the feature is stable, Mozilla will activate it in the test version and automatically clear tracker data.
Hey there, thanks for watching this surveillance clip. This is actually clipped from our main podcast surveillance report, where we talk about privacy and security news on a weekly basis to keep you safe as often as we can. If you want something to listen to while you're driving to work, maybe check out the full channel at Surveillance Report, or you can stay subscribed to Surveillance Clips. Either way, we'll see you next time.